Kindle or Kobo? Which is better? Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. We're going to have a look at some e-readers today, and we're looking at two very popular devices, the Kindle and the Kobo. So whether you're an avid reader or you're just exploring the world of digital books, this video will help you make an awesome decision as to what is the best device for you. So let us jump straight in. The first thing we're going to talk about is the design and the build quality of these e-readers. So the Kindle is available on Amazon. It boasts a sleek and lightweight design. It has a user-friendly interface and is easy to navigate. Buttons make it a favorite among readers of really all types of people. On the other hand, the Kobo is available on kobo.com. It offers a more customizable experience with different models. The Kobo devices are more known for the comfortable grip and the larger screen options, and this obviously does cater for those who prefer a more versatile reading experience. Having a look at the most crucial aspect of an e-reader, the display. Of course, both the Kindle and the Kobo offer an e-ink display, providing a paper-like reading experience, which is great. The Kindle's high-resolution display ensures crisp text, and Kobo's range offers a variation of sizes and features like the Comfort Light Pro, which allows reduced eye strain during nighttime reading. When it comes to the content that is available for these two devices, the Kindle has the advantage of being directly linked to Amazon's extensive ebook library. This includes bestsellers, exclusive titles, extensive collections. Kobo, however, on the other hand, it offers support for a wide range of ebook formats, providing a more open ecosystem and allowing you to purchase and read books from various sources, as opposed to being limited to just the content that is available on Amazon store. In terms of connectivity and features, both the Kindle as well as the Kobo offer Wi-Fi enabled models, which is great. The Kindle's Whisper Sync allows you to sync your reading progress across devices seamlessly, which is awesome. So if you're at home, you're on your laptop, and then bam, you're out somewhere, you're on your mobile device, you can just link up and you're there. Kobo, on the other hand, it offers provided additional features like water resistance and compatibility with Pocket for saving articles to read later, which I think is also equally awesome. And I mean, of course, having the water resistant feature there is absolutely awesome. Now, looking at the last feature over here is the price. Now, Kindle offers a variety of models with different price ranges, and this ensures that there's an option for every type of budget. Kobo, with its range of models and features, also caters for a variation of different people at different price points, and this offers a competitive choice for readers with very specific preferences as well as their budget constraints. Having a look at some of the Kobo devices, you can pick up the Kobo Nia from as little as $110, which is not bad, and then the Kobo Eclipse 2e, which is the top of the range at the moment, for $399, which really is not bad at all. The Kindle, you get the 8 gig model, which comes with ads. It's $139, and without the ads, it comes at $159. Then jumping all the way to the top, there is a 32 gig ad-free signature edition for $189. So their pricing is very, very different. If you're having a look at their top of the range products versus their bottom of the range products, they are catering for a group of different people altogether. So, in conclusion, which one is better? Is it the Kobo, or are you going home with the Kindle? They are both unique in their own ways. They both have great strengths. They both come with a few drawbacks. However, I'm going to have to go ahead and say that Kindle is the winner for me. The pricing, their features, and all that they have to offer, their bank of different books, I think is the winner for me. And there we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Happy reading. Goodbye.